Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this walking reels edit on Capcut. So if you want to create viral walking reels like top influencers, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can edit smooth trending walking reels using Capcut. So what you need to do first is add your walking video like this to Capcut. And then the first step that you need to do is slow down the video, so you can click on it and go to speed, choose normal, and here you can adjust the speed. I'm going to go with 0.6. You can preview the result first. Okay, click on the check icon and next you can go back and find filter. And in here, find the green lake filter. And adjust it to how you like it. I'm going to go with 70. You can click on adjust in here. Click on adjust, and now you can go to the HSL and adjust the color of your video. You can adjust it accordingly with your video. I'm going to adjust the red and also the green color here. Okay. Once you're done with the coloring, you can go to effects, tap on the video effects, and first you can find the halo blur effect and add it to your clip. Click on the check icon. So here I'm going to add it or split the video here. So for the first part, I'm going to add the halo blur on the video, and the next part of the video I'm going to add the clone effects. So here you can click on the body effects and tap on a clone and add the fragment clone effects. Okay, click on a check icon and again split your clip. And for the next effect, I'm going to add video effects. Find the split category, and here I'm going to add this one, 3-layer mirror. Click on the check icon, and again I'm going to crop the clip. So there are 3 effects in here, and for the third clip I'm going to go with to do animations, and under the in category I'm going to add the the vertical animations to the clip. I think I'm going to go with this rock horizontal. Adjust the duration and tap on a check icon. And for the rest, you can add animations that you like. For example, for the first one, I'm going to go with the combo and use this bouncing or bouncy rush. Click on the check icon and that's it. So this will be the final result. You can add music to make it more dramatic. So that's all for me. That's how you can create the trending walking videos using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.